Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. If you have a brand new document and you reduce it in size, and then you have a picture on your desktop and you open the picture of your desktop, and why isn't the little girl there? There she is. And let's say you want to use some colors from this little girl, and I should have had another little girl drawn, but if you take the eyedropper tool, as soon as you go get the color, your eyedropper disappears. Well, if you'll check right here, select color from desktop, then you can go over there and find this color and bring it back into Corel and rob that color off that girl's blouse. And you could do it with any shape. Let's say if you were trying to draw another doll, and you could have brought this into Corel for sure. But if we take the eyedropper tool and go from desktop, and then let's do her forehead and come over here and put it in there, that's pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.